Good evening, parents. Some of you have reached out to me because your child is having difficulty submitting assignments through the iPad. So I am creating this presentation to give you step-by-step instructions. Okay, so submitting assignments through Google Classroom. What should you do and where do you go? Okay, so to start off, once you log into Google Classroom, you would need to go to the to-do list. This will list all the assignments from all your teachers. Okay, so for my class, there was an assignment for of materials that absorb. And so I create these are all the attachments. I had the instructions, the more detailed instructions on what to do, and then I have the actual document that you will actually record your answers. So what you would do is you would click on the document. um, it will come up with the original document that cannot be written in. So in order to write on the document, you would need to click on the pen icon that's up in the upper right hand corner. Once you click on that, it will bring up an editable copy. You will know that it's an editable copy because you will see the icons at the bottom. You can write with your pen or you can write with a technical pen like the iPen. Um, if you have one. Um, Now, with this assignment, you can write in it, and once you write in it, you can edit it with the erase icon, or if you want to erase all of your answers, you can clear it. Now, I do want to note, for you to note that you can use the edit icons in the current state, that in the current page and at the current time. If you save the document and then try to go back into it, you can make additional you can add additional information, but you would not be able to delete the previous information. So I recommend that you do not save the document until you have completed the entire assignment. Now, if you answer the questions, you're done with those questions, and then you just want to take a break and then come back, you can save it and then come back and then add to the rest of the questions, but you will not be able to change the previous questions once you save it. So answer all the questions if possible in one setting. So once you have answered your questions, there's a save icon in the upper right hand corner. You will click on save. Once you save the document, it will bring you back to the original page. I'm sorry that it turned backwards, but the X will be on the right hand side. So you will click on the right hand side, click on the X to go back to the assignment page. This is what the assignment page will now look like. You will still see the original information that I assigned to the class, and then at the bottom it will show the option of your work. This is where your copy was saved with all your recorded answers. So you will actually click on this little arrow right here, and it will bring you to your information. Now, if you have answered all of the questions and you are done, then you just click turn in. But if you need to go back into the assignment, just click on the assignment. It will bring back up your recorded answers. You will have to click on the pen again in order to add more information and then repeat saving it. Now, again, you cannot, when you click on the assignment to go back in it, you will not be able to delete or change any of the previous recorded information that you put in, but you will be able to add add information and erase any mistakes that you made in the new information that you put in. So please be mindful of that when you're completing the assignment. If the assignment is all wrong and you have to start it all over again, you just click on the X. You click on this X right here to delete the entire assignment, and then you just start the whole process over again by going back to go back to the assignment page and click on the document, and then click the pen again to start up a new editable page, and then start recording your answers again and save it and go through the process to get here again. So again, once you are satisfied with your answers, you just click on turn in, and the assignment will disappear, and it will come to me, and then I will grade it and then send it back to you. So hopefully this was helpful to you and gave you more clarity on how to answer and submit your answers. If you have any further questions, just email me and I will respond as soon as I can. Thank you.